Before I wrap up the live event, there was a symbol. Maybe we can each comment a little bit on it that I had promised a member we would take a look at, and that was TTWO. I don't have the cycle analysis. So when I don't have cycle analysis, I just walk myself through pattern structures, momentum, and then key levels. I don't know if either of you have any work on TTWO, but I'll just start with what I'm seeing. They had asked for me to take a look at from now until basically the next earnings, what I'm seeing. And at the moment, this is a pretty mixed picture overall, and I would consider it at the moment to be in no man's land. I've said that on another symbol. But why am I saying that now? Well, if you look at momentum in the monthly chart, it's negative. If you look at momentum in the weekly chart, it's positive. The slim ribbon is neutral. If I go into the daily chart, we have negative reversal scout. We have neutral slim ribbon. So just based on the momentum indicators, you have a lot of conflict going on right now. If we look at the pattern structures, I'm going to go over to the weekly for now. And you can see that in this recent, let's call it rising and even peaking phase, then what has it accomplished? Well, it did get into the key upper resistance zone. It made a weekly close above the 61.8. That's all positive. So from where it was in a prior cycle, we likely had a cycle breakdown, right? A structure breakdown as it broke down below this other key low. It made some repair of it, but not enough to say that, okay, we've shifted this pattern structure positive. So at the moment, again, you're sort of in no man's land where you have risks to the upside and risks to the downside. And right now, the price, if I do a draw from the swing low to the swing high, we came right down to the 50% here over the course of this week, rallied a little bit over the past day, or today, actually. So this is where we are. You're pretty much stuck right here in the middle. If you can, and then you always have the wild card of the earnings, which could break it out either to the upside or to the downside. So what I'm going to do is talk about what that breakout, I guess, could look like at the moment to the upside or downside. Because right now I have nothing really clear to say, like, this is where I would be, unless I was a near-term trader looking at the next, few days or so. But that's not what was asked for. What was asked for was, essentially over the next several weeks. And if I do a draw from that key swing low that occurred back in August, you can see we got into that sort of sweet spot of the key support zone, 50% to 61.8, and we turned around. So if we got really loose on the downside, then you might see a test of that 184 area and probably another reaction back to the upside. If it really does get negative off of earnings, if there was a negative reaction and we aren't able to recapture these highs, if I just do a draw, which interestingly enough correlates to and has some confluence with that 61.8. So I'm really watching then that prior swing low to even that with 61.8. So somewhere between 190 to 184 could be in play on the downside over the next several weeks, including the wild card with earnings. If it stabilizes and doesn't have some kind of negative breakdown and the earnings are, there's a reaction that's very positive, then on the weekly chart, it's showing a potential retest of that prior high. And then over a multi-month scenario, not a few weeks or several weeks, but anything's possible. But just based on typical price movement, it could take months. Something up around 290. Now, that is assuming that the pattern structure holds here in that 61.8. We don't see weekly closes below it. So that would be the technical outlook, not using the cycle analysis, just looking at pattern structures, looking at momentum and key levels.
I mean, I was just working on the weekly cycle for TTWO. It doesn't
Okay, cool.
really add a ton of extra context. Daily
But
cycles in TTWR are always a little bit more
choppy.
squirrely, meaning they
Yeah.
kind of go up and down. The average length varies more than what you would normally look for. It's just
Okay.
from trading this thing for a while.
Sure.
That's just its behavior, but we can take a peek at
Yeah, let's
this.
take a look.
Yeah, so you can see on the intermediate term, obviously we are in that rising phase, longer cycles, here in TTWO, but decent
Hmm.
longer cycles at around 45 bars, going back for, quite a while, right? This is going back to 2020. So,
So from a
um,
textbook fashion, RV, this would tell us what? That we're still, for the
well,
most part,
so let's first look at the
yep,
overall cycle structure, right? So
right,
as where we always will come back to, this moved back all the way to that low.
right,
So once that low forms, obviously we move then quickly back all the way to the 78.6. So overall, right, that's very neutral. That's very
right,
neutral on the intermediate term.
yep,
If we can move through the 78.6, then you have the old highs,
yep.
265, right? But if you can't, then you're sitting here and we're just waiting for really like
The
what's next,
earnings
right?
catalyst.
Yeah,
Yep.
earnings catalyst, yeah.
So
Um,
in terms of like the cycle, the idealized cycle phase, though, I mean, we're pretty much, early or late
Early
rising, right?
rising.
Early
Yeah. Well,
rising, early
still
mid.
quite early. I mean,
That's true.
still quite
Yeah,
early, and you know, uh, we're this is where we are in the cycle, so still pretty early. We saw a move down that's so far holding and looking a lot more range bound for I would say a little while again until we can see either a move lower through either the
right.
61.8 or on the upside the
Yeah.
78.6, right? So
Okay.
very similar to what you highlighted. And then in the short term, this is kind of what I'm looking at here. I'm looking for a low to form shortly, actually, based on this in TTWO. So, um, but again, in terms of the actual indicators, what's that bias? It is really quite neutral right now. So we need to get these to actually turn back up, get over that 232-ish area, and start to approach these old swing highs. That's really
Right.
the only thing that will say, okay, this is back on to the upside. In absent of that, in my opinion, and based on what I see here, this looks a lot more choppy.